Good morning. I don't know. Well, we're gonna be doing a cooking video, breakfast. We're gonna be making breakfast, me and Layla. So here she is. Don't worry about my kitchen, y'all, because we gotta kind of clean up in here because last night was kind of like a long night and I didn't really get around to cleaning my kitchen. And don't judge me because I know if you say that you clean your kitchen every night or you have never missed a night cleaning your kitchen, you're lying. Anyway, but let's get into this cooking video. We're gonna start washing the dishes and stuff, so this is gonna be sped up. Okay, so we have did our little cleanup here. Oh, we have done our little cleanup here. So we're about to get started. We're gonna be making some French toast. She doesn't want French toast, so she's gonna do a bagel for her. Whatever. We're gonna do some fruit, and then we're also gonna do bacon, eggs, and sausage. So we're gonna get all that together and we're gonna go to the store and grab some milk, or this video is just destroyed. Like, I want French toast, vanilla brioche, baby. I want some French toast, so I gotta go to the store. We'll be back. All right, y'all, so we back. We had to go run to get some milk really quick because I thought I ordered some milk, but I guess not. So that was really quick. So I'm just about to get later all her ingredients that she needs to make the mix for the French toast. Even though she's not eating it, hopefully she makes it good. So yeah. We got a little mixture right here. Hopefully it's good.
I mixed it up and it smells so good.
She ain't the one eating it. We eat it.
So it better be. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm going to be doing with my bagel. Of course, just plain bagels. I don't have the time to make regular ones. It's just pre-sliced made bagels. Now, where is that busted spread? Favorite spread. The best spread of my favorite. Philadelphia. Like I said, Philadelphia blueberry is so good. That's already been used because we've been at this. Trust me, I recommend this, especially with the toasted bagel. That's what I'm going to be eating. A toasted bagel.
Are you being careful?
Yes.
French toast is cooking. So this is the finished product of all of our food. We got our orange juice here. That's mine.
Of course, it is so good.
Yes, it looks so good. We about to eat on this beautiful Saturday. And
It's so warm outside.
we'll get back to y'all.
When we get in, we'll do something fun. Hello.
Kyrie is on his game, so
No, he's just really nice.
let's go see what he doing. Kyrie.
You were